In a shocking incident, a Russian Pantsir S-1 air defense system accidentally struck a multi-story building while attempting to shoot down a low-flying UAV. The Pantsir S-1, known for defending critical airspace with rapid missile and cannon fire, miscalculated its trajectory, causing one of its rounds to slam directly into the structure. Eyewitnesses reported a loud explosion, followed by smoke rising from the impact site. While the UAV was neutralized, the collateral damage has raised serious questions about Russia's air defense accuracy in urban zones. Military analysts say such incidents highlight the risks of deploying high-caliber systems in populated areas, where even a small targeting error can lead to major destruction. This event underscores the fine line between defense and disaster in modern warfare.